Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Oni. The Oni is a powerful killer whose unique ability, Yamauka's Wrath, transforms him into a brutal demon. To activate this power, you must collect blood orbs dropped by injured survivors. Once your blood fury meter is full, you gain access to two devastating special attacks, Demon Dash and Demon Strike. Mastering this aggressive playstyle is essential for dominating your matches. To unleash blood fury, your primary goal is to injure survivors. Hitting a healthy survivor instantly grants you 40% of your power gauge. Injured survivors will then drop blood orbs, which you must absorb to fully charge your meter. These orbs are visible through walls within 35 meters. Strategically activate blood fury when survivors are grouped or in vulnerable positions to maximize its impact. Once blood fury is active, you gain two formidable abilities. Demon Dash propels you across the map at an incredible 195% movement speed, allowing you to close distances quickly. Demon Strike, when charged for at least 0.35 seconds, delivers an instant down to healthy survivors. This powerful attack can also break pallets and walls. Combining these two moves creates a devastating offensive combo. For advanced play, avoid lengthy chases with healthy survivors. Prioritize quick hits to build your power. Utilize the visible blood orbs to track injured survivors, even through obstacles. It is wise to conserve your blood fury for opportune moments, such as downing multiple survivors or securing a crucial hook. Practice steering your Demon Dash to navigate maps efficiently and land those critical demon strikes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.